Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I did these spring inspired nail set. This is everything that I used in today's tutorial. So I'm not going to go do too much talking. This was a really quick video. I did use Gel X nails to start off with, and I'm going in with one solid periwinkle color, and then the other nails are going to be white. We're going to add some foil to it and some bling and matte top coat it, and then we'll be all done. So continue to watch, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So with each nail I did do 3 thin coats, and I made sure I cured in between each layer. Now this one I kept getting like a piece of lint or something in there, so eventually I had to just start all the way over. Now with this particular foil transfer gel, you want to put a thin layer on and cure it for 60 seconds so it can create that tacky layer, and then put your foil on. Make sure you give it a good press around the edges and in the middle, and then just pull the foil right off, and it should come out perfect every time. I just used a little bit of alcohol to clean up that area because that's not where I wanted the foil to be. So I am going in with a shiny top coat first, but eventually I top the shiny top coat with the matte top coat. And if you made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and comment down below what is your favorite nail color and do you use foil for nail art. And like always, I'm going to go in with my Young Nail Rose Oil for my cuticles. Now, there's no particular reason why I use this. This is just what I got. And I'm trying to use up what I have before I buy something else.